Alright, here's the first video to show this new application I've been working on called Visualizer. So we get this cool little icon here. And so when it opens, we have this pretty awesome thing here, which is actually a drawer. We can slide that open or slide it closed. And it has a list of SID files that can be scrolled up and down. And there are keyboard shortcuts here to, hide and show the list, go full screen, to show and hide the menu bar. And I can just double click one of these files, or I can pick a file and say file open from the menus. And it opens the SID preview utility. And watch what happens here when we hit play. I'm just going to move this out of the way a little bit. Hit play. Isn't that great? Isn't that cool? Just turn the volume down a little bit. So while this animation thing is going, I can actually slide this this drawer open. We can move this window around. Of course, the menus are all active. And we can say hide that. We can go full screen. We can say do that. Pretty cool. So now I'll say stop, and that has sent a message from the menus down here to this utility to stop. Bring the file list back. Just pick a different, pick this one here. I can hit start here. Isn't that cool? Put this up here. Alright, so that's the first video, and I'll show you something else cool in the next one. Thanks for watching.